What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube video, and I appreciate you guys watching today. Here's the actual coin that I based my channel around off of. That was when I got back in the hobby, I found this silver eagle and I submitted it, and it came back a full grade. And this one seems, this is a 1996, this one has actually been getting even more color over the years, since it was a couple years I submitted that one. Very, very cool. And here's the front, or the obverse of the 86. Mint State 68. And I got it gold shielded too. So anyways, that's where this is from, in case you guys didn't know. Wow, so what a difference a day makes. So the market has come down 4% versus yesterday as far as silver goes. And I decided to start charting out the 7 most popular world coins as far as bullion goes, and it still looks like Monument Metals is in the lead. So here we're at 204.10 for all 7 of these. So that's the Silver Eagle, best price on a 2023 Britannia with the Charles King on the back. Best price on a Maple 2023. Best price on a Philharmonic. Best price on the Kanga, Australian Kangaroo, and the 1 ounce Krugerrand, South African Krugerrand, and then the Panda. So today, I don't know, I think SD Bullion like removed the sale off of something, but it seems like Monument Metals is the cheapest one. It's not a huge difference compared to yesterday. $6 difference here, $6 difference there. $4 difference in SD Bullion, so they must have like removed a sale. Maybe I shouldn't have said anything about that 1/10 ounce. That was yesterday, and I went to look at it today, and it was up to 228. So that was yesterday. That was the 1/10 gold. So today's best deal, I think, on the internet, if you're going to be buying some precious metals, is Monument Metals, 90%. Washington silver tube, 217.43 check wire, and that's the PayPal price. These bad boys were up to as high as like 265, 270 when everyone was rushing out to go get silver. So this is the lowest I've seen in a while. Again, off of buying off the internet. I'm not talking about you walking in your coin shop. They're selling it for less, fantastic, but this is by far the best price online for a tube of silver quarters. I think the next closest, I want to say, is SD Bullion at 235. Might even be an eBay seller. So I have an unboxing today. I actually got 2 packages. One is really heavy, and the reason I have some copper rounds in the background there is I'm replenishing my supply of the T-Rex and the Triceratops. So let's get this big package opened here. I placed an order with JM Bullion on June 9th. And today's date is June 21st. So it's about normal to get a package like that from them. And this is how they ship it out. I always open it up this way, and then they put it in a separate box. And it's samples from Las Vegas. So JM Bullion is a Las Vegas based company, at least that's where the warehouse is at. And then if you didn't know, APMEX is based out of, wait, is it SD Bullion? APMEX is based out of Oklahoma. One of them has like the old Federal Reserve building as their warehouse. So we're going to take a look at the new rounds, how those came in. And I'm excited to see the random Morgan silver dollars, BU ones. I have no idea what they're going to look like. So let's see, which one are these? That's a Triceratops. These always come sealed. Oh, I'm going to have to cut both sides. let's compare it to the ones I got about a year ago. Yep, same quality. Okay, cool. These actually been good sellers. It's weird. I thought the T-Rex would sell faster, but the Triceratops actually sold more of those. So I only had like 2 of those left. So picked up another tube to resupply the store. Again, I thought it was a cool design, and I guess I was right because it's been a pretty good seller. Most kids like dinosaurs, so I think it's a cool pickup if you want to get someone younger into coins or coin collecting. What better way than to put a cool dinosaur on it? And then it's the Lost World collection, so it's based off of Jurassic Park. I guess that's my guess. So replenishing those. It looks like they gave me an extra round. I don't think I bought. Maybe I bought an extra round just to get the total purchase price to $200 for free shipping. I honestly don't remember. All right, moment of truth here. What did I order? Yeah, I probably added some more rounds. Well, that's cool. They gave me some flips. I can use that to sell. Next person. What is in here? We got... cut this open here. So you got a Triceratops. All right, well, maybe I felt I needed more of them because I was lower on those. Okay, let's take a look at these Morgans. Again, have no idea what year, have no idea if they're even worth it, but figure this would help somebody out. So if you are thinking of buying just a random sight unseen BU Morgan skew from JM Bullion, let's see if we did well or if it absolutely sucks. So far from afar, they look really nice. So far I'm kind of have a smile on my face, but let's see what this ends up looking like. All right, so we got a 1987. I'm assuming it's a Philadelphia. Definitely BU and definitely a VAM. If you guys are wondering what the VAM is, it is the spike neck VAM. See that little spike coming out of the neck? So that's cool. I remember selling one of those. See how it's very noticeable. I don't even have to zoom in that much. See the spike coming out of the neck? Well, that's cool. That's probably going to be worth a heck of a lot more than a standard BU 87. And let's check out the rim. Looks good. A little bit of dings here and there, but nothing crazy. Nothing takes away from eye appeal. And yeah, it's definitely a mint state. It's not a really well struck coin, but the main reason is it's because it's a VAM. So this is probably one of those Morgans that was struck later on. So that'll be cool. So I'll definitely lift it. I forgot what the name of the VAM is, but anytime you see a Morgan Silver Dollar, and seriously, it looks like a spike coming out of the neck, it's definitely worth more than a regular BU. But I would say this is a lower mint state BU Morgan, and probably not gonna use that, so we'll just leave that out raw for now. Next, we have another 1987. So they didn't get real cool with a variety of dates. I know how this goes at the warehouse. They literally just like whatever are the next coins in the row is what they toss in there. So this is a regular 1987 mint state coin. Little bit of something going on up here. Yep, it's definitely got some die cracks, so it's some type of VAM. So that makes me happy. I guess it's kind of cool getting an actual coin with some variety to it. Was not expecting it. I'm not sure what VAM this is, but that's definitely a die crack up there. And a very nice reverse with more die cracks. Look at that. Look at all that die crack action. Yeah, this is like the variation where you get a die crack through the wing. I forgot what VAM this is. But that's cool. So what do you guys think of that? Two Mint State 1987s. One is a spike neck VAM. Don't know what that is. And then another one is another type of VAM. And I'll be tossing these 2x2s because those have definitely seen better days and they got writing all over it. All right, well, I'm happy with that. I don't think I'm going to be doubling up from what I spent, but I'll definitely be making a profit and also helping someone build their collection, especially someone that likes to submit coins to get VAMs. If someone's into collecting VAMs, that'll be cool for somebody. All right, now we're opening up the next package here. So let's zoom out. And this should be two PCGS graded coins. All right, I'm going to show these guys off. All right, we got a Mint State 62, 1981. Let's do a little zoom in action here. I got a pretty good price on this coin. Pretty cool looking coin. Let's take a look at the reverse. Yep, nice and frosty. So, very cool coin. And then the next one is Damage Unk Detail. I don't see any damage on the obverse. It's actually a really, really nice looking obverse. Maybe it's on the reverse. Where's the damage at? Oh, right there. Damage right there. That is weird though. What kind of damage is that? It's very strange. Have you guys ever seen that before? I've never seen that on a coin before. That looks like a shovel mark or something. It's very strange. Oh, and you can kind of see it on the wing too. There you go. Yeah, something hit this. And it hit the part of the wing. And it hit right there. So it was like something big went wham right in there. And I think she got a piece of the wreath here too. Interesting. Well, I think it's still a cool coin. And that obverse is beautiful. So anyways, appreciate you guys watching today. Let me know what you guys think on the price of silver dropping 4% today. I guess if I am going to spend $200, I don't know. Should I wait another day? And then maybe tomorrow will be $199 from Monument Metals? I don't know. But hopefully these videos have helped you guys out. Again, I know there's a lot other online retailers, but I like to put the ones in my video that I've actually had personal experience with, that I've ordered from, and I know they're reputable. So again, the best deal today, if you're looking to spend $200 on a variety of silver, is definitely Monument Metals at 204 for the Canada, Krugerrand, Kangaroo, Philharmonic, Maple Leaf, Britannia, and American Silver Eagle. So you get a nice little variety for $204 with shipping. or 214 from SD Bullion, or 226 from AppMex, down $6 from yesterday's pricing, which sounds about right. So if there's 7 coins and spot is about 80 cents to $1 less than it was yesterday, you should be saving $6. But SD Bullion is only a $4 difference because I think they removed a sale off of a coin. And again, this is the best deal for silver quarters, $2.17 for a tube with free shipping using a check or your ACH or wire. Again, you might be able to find something better at your local coin shop, but that would require you getting into your car, driving however far you live from the coin shop. I'm about 30 minutes from either coin shop where I live, so it's about an hour round trip. So a lot of times I will just buy something online and just be patient and wait for it to come in. I don't really like going to a coin shop unless I'm going to transact at least $500 to just make it worth my time in the car, unless there's something else out there that I'm looking for. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.